Naija Senate don tok say the tori wey dey fly for social media say Constitution Review Committee wan create 12 new states na lie. Senator Abdul Nengi, wey dey represent Bauchi Central, tok dis one for plenary on Tuesday under Order 42. E clear say the committee never receive any zonal review report and dem never discuss anything wey concern creation of new states.
It is therefore imperative that the social media report that the National Assembly has penciled 12 states is fake, is toxic, and is an irresponsible media outlet. So it is important, Mr. President, to take this matter to Nigerians that the Senate has not, for now, sat on any committee's report from the zonal levels. The main committee is yet to even received nor evaluate any report. So it is important to tell Nigerians to be aware of fake reports, especially tarnishing the image of this hollow chamber.
Senate President Godswill Akpabio still tok say the kind fake news wey people dey spread fit scatter national unity and make Naija people no trust government again.
I've always said that the social media is garbage in, garbage out. So I hope that the way the Africans who use social media will not break the society. That's my only hope. It's important the public knows that the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria has not even concluded the processes of getting a final report for deliberation on constitutional amendment. And therefore, no single state, proposed or otherwise, has been created. And even if that were to be the case, it will involve all the houses or assemblies in the country. And we must get their 2/3 concurrence before anything can come back to us.
Dem still tok say the constitutional review wey dey go on now dey carry public hearings across all 6 geopolitical zones of Naija. For this hearing, people dey bring different suggestions, including requests for new states and local governments, but Senate or any of im committee never approve or decide on anything yet. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onasimwa, TMC News.